Hey everyone, and welcome back. In the last part, we set up our Flask backend for our chatbot and created a simple API endpoint. But our chatbot isn't very chatty yet. In this part, we'll give our backend a brain. We'll integrate a basic AI model to generate responses to user messages, and we'll continue to use our AI assistant, Cursor, to help us with the code. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a functional backend that can respond to user input with AI-powered messages. Let's dive in. First, we need to install a library to interact with an AI model. We'll use a simple open source library called Transformers from Hugging Face. We'll ask Cursor to handle the installation for us, ensuring we get the correct command. Install the Transformers library. Now for the core of this lesson, integrating the AI model. We'll prompt Cursor to write a function that loads a pre-trained model and tokenizer. We'll use a very small, efficient model suitable for this simple demonstration. We'll also ask it to generate a function to use this model to generate a response from a given user message. This is where AI truly helps us build complex logic quickly. Create a function to load a pre-trained Distill GPT-2 model and tokenizer from the Transformers library. Then, create a function that takes a message as input and uses this model to generate a short, simple response. Our final step is to update our existing API/chat endpoint to use our new AI logic. Instead of returning a static hello message, we'll now call our new AI function to generate a dynamic response based on the user's input. This is a small but critical change that makes our chatbot functional. Modify the chat endpoint to use the AI response generation function and return the AI's response instead of the static hello message. We've now completed our first full-stack AI project. In our next lesson, we'll wrap up this series by exploring the future of AI in coding. We'll discuss best practices, professional tips, and what to expect next from this rapidly evolving field. This will be an important lesson for anyone looking to stay ahead in the world of AI-assisted coding. See you there. Did you find this lesson helpful? If so, please hit the like button and share it with a friend. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future coding tutorials. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more great content.